bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
At Woodbridge Cottage. I'm just popping out some ash from last night's fire, and as well as that there's eggshells that we collect and just smash up and pop in as well and put it over the garden beds in the hope everything will become more productive. Waste not, want not. I do have some garlic planted over there. Last year the garlic that's there, last year I planted some up further up the hill, and they grew really well. But this year I'm just trying down here to see how they go, and looks like they're going quite well. I put some leaves on top just to hide from all the predators, which I'm sure they'll find them anyway. But they are actually growing, so far so good. This is wallaby free, paddy melon free territory, and Gordon free, but we do have, like last night we had our possum looking at us from the tree up there, wondering what he could attack tonight. So yeah, we'll just wait and see. I just potted up some strawberries for next year. Hopefully they'll fruit for us, and I've got more over here, and yeah, we'll just wait and see. It's a bit of trial and error up here because it is a good bit higher than sea level, and some plants do well, some don't. So trial and error this year. First year, second year sort of working in the garden. So these are all the ranunculus that I was given. Oops. Hopefully I'll be able to transplant them out after they're grown a little bit. I've also put in some lupins, so that should be good. And yeah, that's about it really. These are all different colours: red, white, There's some pink ones, burgundy ones, so that I like those. I like my flowers. I like my cut flowers. Got some onions.
Look, the onions.
Yum yum.
Look, the onions.
Yes, the onions. Actually, I don't need.
The wind doesn't change.
Hey?
Yeah, going that way there. I was hoping the smoke would come out this way. You want the onion on?
Hey?
Want the onion on?
Why not?
There you go.
Don't you like onion?
I don't want to handle it now. Don't like onion. Oh no.
Fail.